Welcome to Lesson 1 on Online Safety and Professionalism. In this first video, we will be discussing several aspects of online security. We will cover passwords, password management tools, how to identify scams, and some best security practices. Passwords are created as the first barrier between your personal information and the rest of the world. They are the key to your locks, but not all passwords are created equal. You can create stronger passwords by including upper and lowercase letters and special characters, avoiding using short dictionary words, but above all, increasing the length of your password. There are multiple ways to gain unauthorized access to your accounts, but the one passwords protect the most against is called the brute force method. Brute force attacks are not the most likely way your accounts will be compromised, but it is the simplest. A brute force attack involves an attacker using one or more computers to attempt as many possible password combinations as possible. Simple single-word passwords can be easily accessed through this method. However, increasing the length of your password can make it impractical to crack using the brute force method. So just how long would it take to break into a password? Based on the types of characters used, the length of the password, and assuming that a single computer is able to make 4 billion calculations per second, if your password was password, it would be cracked instantaneously, since that is one of the first passwords the program would attempt to try. If your password is 9 random lowercase letters and numbers, it would take the computer 7 hours to crack your password. Big Break is also 9 characters, but introduces a capital letter and an @ symbol. The @ symbol is a common substitution though, but this password would still take a single computer 2 years to crack. Lastly, this simple 3-word phrase, small phone battery, consisting of 18 characters, would take about 204 trillion years to guess due to its length. Keep in mind, someone using this method would likely use multiple, maybe even hundreds of computers to complete this task, but that would still make guessing this password impractical. Another key factor in keeping your account secure is maintaining separate passwords for your online accounts. If a hacker is able to acquire your password for one account, they then have access to any account using the same credentials. Using a password management tool like LastPass or 1Password helps you keep track of all your logins in a safe and secure manner. Keeping a journal of your passwords is bad practice, as a journal could have become lost and would need to go with you wherever you access your accounts. These tools normally integrate directly into your internet browsers or phone and can be securely taken with you anywhere. A couple more common methods of being hacked are being tricked into downloading free software containing adware, also known as a Trojan horse, or being phished. Many free software tools come bundled with extra toolbars or programs that inject ads into your browser where there normally wouldn't be any. It is a good idea to look for open source alternatives. Open source means that anyone can look at the code of the program to improve it, which also makes hiding malicious intent more difficult. Here's an example of a program attempting to install additional software with it. There is normally no need to install these excess toolbars, as they only serve to clutter your browser and add no extra functionality. This is an example of a website attempting to phish your Facebook information. Notice the URL highlighted at the top. While the website looks like facebook.com, it is actually another website that may be about to input your credentials into. Keep an eye on the address bar. Many secure sites will display a green address bar when they are secure, and malicious websites will not. Lastly, to keep yourself secure, update your computer software as often as possible. While it is sometimes annoying to update Java or Adobe every few days, these are some of the most popular software applications and therefore most target prone. Also, while not available for every account, two-factor authentication makes it much more difficult for people to gain unauthorized access to your accounts. Two-factor authentication sends a unique one-time message to your phone and allows you to log in. In this scenario, a hacker would need to know your password and have your phone. No system is foolproof, but this is one of the most secure methods for locking down an account. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in Lesson 2.